In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to go over how to pronounce the F and V consonants. These two sounds are paired together because they take the same mouth position. Th is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and V is voiced, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cords. V. To make these sounds, the bottom lip lifts and touches the very bottom of the top front teeth. V. The top lip lifts a little bit to get out of the way of the bottom lip. You don't want to see your bottom lip disappear. It's actually the inside of the lip, here, that makes contact with the teeth. The tongue should stay relaxed so the air can easily push through, causing the bottom lip to vibrate against the top teeth. Let's look at the sounds up close and in slow motion. The top lip lifts so the bottom lip has room to vibrate against the bottom of the top front teeth. Very. Bottom lip goes to the bottom of the top front teeth. Flavor. The bottom lip goes to the top front teeth for the F and again for the V. Enough. Bottom lip to top front teeth. When you work on these consonants and words with these consonants, watch yourself and make sure your bottom lip doesn't curl in. Remember, it's the inside of the lip that makes these sounds. The F and V consonants. Very. Flavor. Enough. Example words. Repeat with me. Live. Live. Value. Value. Provide. Provide. Fresh. Fresh. Offer. Offer. Tough. Tough.